Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here with another layout. Again, this is a layout that I created back in November. I have a few of these layouts left and I just want to put them up on YouTube and then I can upload some newer stuff that I did. These are some page kits that I had put together way back in October before I went to the crop, and then I just took it to the crop and I had 25 page kits and I came home and I had 22 pages completed. And I had brought my camera with me, so I was able to film all 22 layouts that I got done so that you could see what I got done with all those page kits that I had put together. So this page here is some old paper from Echo Park, the This and That collection, and I know if you've been following me for a while, you know I've been talking about that collection for a while. This was one of my favorite boy collection way back in the day, and I think I had bought three of the same collection because I just loved it so much. And the last time I checked, all of the collections are dwindling, and I can tell you I have used that collection so much. I still love it as much as I did. I think this was like a 2011, maybe 2012 collection, and I still love it just as much. So I had already pre-done my title for this. I had put it down on some little stickies, and I had written down Visual Art Foundation because that's the course that my son has taken at college. And then I had written down again on some wax paper college days, and then I had put 2017. I had 4 pictures, a few pictures of him leaving in the morning, going to school, his first day of college, and then I had taken a picture of the Mackenzie College emblem, and I printed it on one picture in my Canon selfie, and so there's 4 little pictures on one picture. And then I took the stripe pattern paper, I cut it so that it was going sideways or horizontal instead of vertical, and I mounted my photo on a brown cardstock, and already I'm starting to build my layers and clusters. Now, where I already had my title done, I started playing with my title. I decided that I wanted to put the Visual Art Foundation part at the top of the layout, and then the college days right underneath the picture. Now, there was a bunch of stickers that were like numbers, so I thought, yes, he's not taking a course that's, math or science, but it still represents to me school and stuff. So I put that on the side of the layout. I want to do a little cluster at the top, so I take a little flag that has a little potty boy on it, and then another little tag, and I'm going to do a little cluster up there. And then there was a border sticker that I had sort of put with this page, and it was a big scallop. So I decided to put that right underneath that cluster of photo, and then I want something that I'm able to journal on. So I went into my little stash of journaling papers that I brought with me, and I chose one little sheet, and then I'm going to find a spot on the layout where I can put this on, and then I'm going to do some journaling. I end up inking the edges of all the pattern papers, and I'm going to start gluing everything down. So while I'm doing that, just a couple of things. I just want to let you know that yesterday, it was supposed to be released today, but I ended up finishing it early. So I released my latest class, and it's called Focus on 6x6. So we go through and we complete 15 layouts, all using 6x6 pattern papers, and I do different things with the 6x6. So that's on sale right now. If you click on the link in the description box below, it'll bring you right to my website, and it is the section where all my classes are listed. Now, if you notice, the title of the class is Focus on 6x6, and I decided where my word this year is focus, that's what my classes are also going to be, where every class I'm going to take something and we're going to focus on that specific thing. So for this time, it's 6x6 patterns. So I'm just taking the 6x6 pattern papers and I go through 15 different ways that you can use a 6x6 paper pad and make some 12x12 layouts. Now, I had so much fun making those layouts that at the end, I had a couple more ideas. So everybody that signs up for the class are going to receive 2 bonus videos on February 15th. I'm going to try to have them both ready. I was going to do one, but I have 2 fun ideas, more ideas that I want to do with the 6x6. So there's going to be, altogether, it's going to be 17 layouts using 6x6. And I just want to take a minute and just want to say thank you to all of you that support me and get the classes. But anyway, we're going to get back to this layout. At the end of this video, there won't be any pictures of this layout. And the reason for that is today is Wednesday, January 31st. I actually got up at 4:30 this morning, went to work, worked a 12-hour day, and then came home, got ready for bed, shower and everything, had supper, and then I was like, oh my Lanta. It is Wednesday and I do not have a video ready for YouTube. It's just been a crazy week, busy. So I just said to my husband, okay, I can't finish watching this show. I got to go and do the voiceover and get this up on YouTube. So hopefully I won't have any issues getting this uploaded so that it will be up tonight before I go to bed. Another thing, I don't know if you noticed, but at the beginning and the end of my videos, I used to have a little clip of music. And from now on, there will not be any. And I'll tell you why. Those little clips of music, I found it on, the internet, and I followed their guidelines to a T. It said what I needed to do in order to be able to use, their little clips of music. And really, I was only using like maybe 10 seconds per video. And they said, as long as you do that, then you're fine. Now, I don't know if it's a new thing that YouTube is coming out with, but all of a sudden I keep getting emails, saying that I have copyright stuff on my videos, and then they check it and then they say, okay, yeah, you're complying with what needs to be done, but then my videos are no longer monetized. They take it away. They take that function away. So it's just not worth the trouble for me. To me, it's more of a headache. So there won't be any more little music intros at the beginning and at the end of the videos. And for people out there that do videos, just be aware that, maybe someday they'll come around to your videos and that's what's going to happen. And as long as you put the little thing that says that it's theirs, like their copy, you won't get any trouble. But like I said, they demonetize your videos. So that's what's happening with that. And so this came together really quickly. I decided not to use that journaling paper. You saw me messing around with it, trying to see if I could find it, somewhere to fit it on this layout. But I just didn't. With the scallop, I just found that's how I liked it. So I decided to journal directly on the pattern paper. And then I'm going to cover the photo and I'm going to add some mist. And that's going to complete this layout. And again, I just want to remind you, don't forget to check out my new class. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. If you're enjoying these videos, if you wouldn't mind, give me a thumbs up and maybe leave me a comment down below. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.